Hey y'all, I'm Season 8. If you new, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you not new, welcome back. Pooh. So today I'm doing this review on Unice, and I'm gonna let y'all know the tea on it. So make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. Hey y'all, so today I'm doing a Unice unboxing. Okay. They sent me a black cap. They sent me a little headband. So this is their 16-inch curly 13 by 6 video series bed. And like just at the package, I love the blue hair. You know. Ooh, we got baby hair, girls. Let's see. I actually don't feel like I would have to tint this lace. Let's see if I can give y'all. I really wouldn't have to tint it or blend in perfectly. So honestly, I'm ready to test this out. So I forgot to mention it has 4 clips. There's 3 down the line and the one in the back. Has adjustable straps with this. And like, I think this is medium size cap. Don't quote me on that. When I come back, I can let you know for sure. So this is, I've been wearing this a couple weeks. I did a twist out with it. I love the curl formation of it. They were like big and bouncy. And this is like real tight. So in here, I'm gonna show y'all how it was when it dried, how it was when I wet it, and like the products I use. And I use a brush, and like if you use a brush versus not using a brush, like you'll have different curls. And if you twist it, the hair will come out coily and coil around itself, which is very pretty if you do a brush like I did. So, you know, I wasn't sure how the curls were gonna come out, but it came out like looking really good. Like it's very soft and bouncy that I love. And you know, it matched my skin tone. You know, it was a little darker than me, but it wasn't gray, which was perfect, honestly. So this is 150 density, if I'm not mistaken. Don't quote me. And it was 109 after tax. So it's very inexpensive. Like, I'm really loving it. Like, we still going on that hot girl summer wave with the curls. And like, yes, you know. Like, do y'all see this? Like, it's really light and fluffy. So I'm the type of person, I sweat, I get hot. Hey, baby, this thing is really breathable. Like the wind just been swooshing up under my wig, but it's very secure. So I did glue it one day. I liked it. At first, I didn't think I was gonna be able to not wear it glueless, but baby, we glueless. We here. You can wear it glueless. Like the 2 straps comes really tight. I think I might use a adjustable strap to tighten it even more, but I've been working 8-hour shifts and it's been holding on. I haven't felt it slip back or nothing. And I have used my wig grip some days, and then other days I haven't, and it still hasn't slipped. So you can wear it glueless if you want. It really don't matter. Like, do y'all see this? Like, this is really what you need in your life. So, since I've had it, like, my first initial thoughts on it versus now, I have a little shedding. Like, it's not much. I haven't had tangling at all. It depends on me. Like, if I just throw it somewhere versus if I actually put it up, I won't have tangling. But, like, other than that, like, she's good to go. You know, at first, I know y'all see my, like, I think the bag had the smell that it was in. After I washed it, she was fine. Like, I haven't had no smell since. So I think it was just the packaging. But other than that, like, I'm satisfied. Like, y'all wanted the tea? Baby, I'm giving y'all the whole kettle. Like, this is it. This is where it's at. Y'all need this. So I'll make sure I put the link in the description box. You can find them on Amazon. Um, you can follow them on Instagram as well. You know, you can definitely reach out to them on their social media pages if this is something you like for yourself and want to know more information. They'll definitely help you out, sis.